First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the
silver Patron. I hope my luck's up, so I can take a girl home. I'm feeling so drunk, this chick's going through my phone, and she ain't having any luck because she don't know my code. She said I need that, oh yeah, this girl likes it bad. It makes her so mad, she's got problems with her dad. Said I'll be right back, just let me get you some Jack, and we'll sip on this all night until you forget your past, yeah. I said to turn the fuck up, I said you fucking with us. Now bitch, I don't ever cuss, that shit's for pussies and sluts. Ladies, they love it when I brag, they love using hashtags, they love money and cash. It's funny cause I laugh, stay up and I do it like it's all the same. Different time, different day, and a different name. Don't do it for the glory, don't for the fame. I just do it cause I got the passion going through my veins. I know that I know that, oh, I go down my own path. No, don't wanna feel my wrath, no, I don't wanna do my math. Silver Patron, I hope my luck's up, so I can take a girl home. I'm feeling so drunk, this chick's going through my phone, and she ain't having any luck because she don't know my code. She said I need that, oh yeah, this girl likes it bad. It makes her so mad, she's got problems with her dad. Said I'll be right back, just let me get you some Jack, and we'll sip on this all night until you forget your past, yeah. These gold digging hoes don't even know that I'm broke. They thinking that it's a joke. Nah, bitch, I don't share my dough. Fuck that, I just wanna party all day. 2 bottles of Jack, it's a Bombay. Got my own picture carved out for me. Put your head down, son, you can do anything. America's got me thinking of late. Maybe I should make my own sex tape. I'll just make a quick form of Ray J and get myself fucked into money and fame. Maybe then I can have some followers. Still don't get why you all is a follower. Y'all sit there still feeling hollower, wishing that you tried porn and said you were that monster.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watch watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it,
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Take it back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack, don't react, no react. Think I'm black, off the jack, while I rap, bounce a step. Throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'ma rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Yes and not that I'm right, yeah.
Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it,
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depths when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking ask bitch, I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to have it. So I will go capture it and I'ma stay after it. I'm gon' fucking master it,